A picture is worth 1,000 words. Without pictures, it will be a boring website, right? In this video, we will learn how to add an image every time a user signs up. Let us continue where we left off. So right below here, you will do user schema. That's Gravatar. We need to import crypto. So cons crypto is a built-in node.js library, so we don't need to install it. Here, hash. So technically, there's a website API called Gravatar that will generate a generic picture, and it is free to use. We are simply using the API to generate the image. So technically what is happening right now is we created another custom function or custom method, and we give it a name Gravatar. The logic is quite simple. If the size does not exist, then we set the size to 200. And then if the email does not exist, if the email of the user does not exist, then you want to return the default, HTTP route, which the link that Gravatar provides. If the email does exist, so if you want to make it less confusing, so you want to do if else statement. So you want to cut this and put here. And then you want to put all of this in here. Alright, less confusing. Else, if the email does exist, then you want to hash the password with an MD5 encryption. Then you want to return the Gravatar link together with the MD5 encryption. So we have to call this function later on to really save the image to the database. I will show you guys how to do this later on. In this video, we learn how to create another function that will generate an image by Gravatar website API. In the next video, we will revise the entire schema and as well as exporting the entire schema so that other file could use it. I'll see you guys in the next video.